Hello everyone, in this video I will show you best auto clicker for iOS, iPhone and iPad. And these are the which apps which I will show you are completely free and you can use them. So iPhone and iPads have a built-in auto click feature that can set up through the accessibility settings, right? So that's by default, but you can always go and download some of the third-party application which I will show you later in this video. So to activate it, you have to go to the settings, then go to the accessibility and switch control. Here you can create a new switches that allow you to automated taps on your screen just like how you see here. You can customize gestures and set interval for clicks, making it versatile for various tasks like gaming or refreshing apps. Right, now the second thing is that I have mentioned some of the best AutoClicker third-party applications. The first one is the AutoClicker Turbo, and this app allow you for automatic tapping with the customizable intervals. It features both singles and multi-target modes, making it suitable for different application. Right, free with in-app purchase. Right, there's a subscription, but you can always go and use the free one. The second is the auto clicker. Right, this one is which I'm talking about. This is also really good because this is a feature-rich tool that offers multiple modes such as a single target, multi-target, refresh, and scroll mode. It includes a floating control panel for easy access. It's free with the optional subscription, right? And most of the users like it. The third one is the auto clicker app from the Lucid APK, right? So you can always go and look for this one, right? This is also pretty cool, and you need to download from specific website, right? Which I think iPhone doesn't allow, right? So you can always go for the first and second one which I mentioned here. And if you're looking for free auto clicker, then I think this might be the best video because I mentioned each and everything. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.